Hi beautiful friends, I'm Laura. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about why I am choosing to embrace the gray. Okay, so there's a couple reasons why I'm choosing to go gray and embrace that part of life. First of all, it is a lot cheaper when you don't color your hair. I've been coloring my hair since I was in high school, and I got seriously coloring my hair in my late 20s when I started to go gray. So I've been coloring my hair for a long time, and it adds up, whether you're doing it at the salon or whether you're doing it at home. And I've done my hair at home probably for the last decade. I did used to have it colored in the salon, and it's still expensive whether you do it at home or whether you do it in the salon. So second reason why I'm choosing to embrace the gray is because it is a lot less time for upkeep and coloring. I'm a busy mom with 4 kids. I do not have time to color my hair. Again, whether you go to the salon or whether you do it at home, it's gonna save you a lot of time to not have to do it at all. Third reason I'm going gray is to prevent the chemicals from going on my body. I'm super aware of what goes in and on my body, so anytime I can avoid the chemicals, I do. And I was paying pretty pricey amounts to even color it at home because I was using a naturally based hair color, and I use all naturally based products for my hair care routine. My shampoo and conditioner are all botanically based as well. And so anytime I can avoid the chemicals, I do my best to do so. I feel like we are overloaded with chemicals in so many other areas that this is one of the ways that I can control what goes on my body. Another reason why I'm choosing to go gray is because I finally have gotten to the point in my life, and this is my kind of midlife makeover is what I call it. I'm in my 40s now, and I'm getting more comfortable with the fact that I am who I am, and I don't feel like my self-esteem and my self-worth is wrapped up in my appearance anymore. It's been a little bit of a journey to get there. Am I 100% satisfied with my physical appearance? No, I'm working to improve always. Just improving my health in general, improving my physique. But I also know that I am now confident in who I am as a person, and I don't need to have my hair colored to look a certain way or feel a certain way to be accepted. I'm kind of at the point where I don't really care. If you don't like me, if I have gray hair, then you don't need to be a part of my life. Sorry. Bye, Felicia. And did you know that having gray hair is actually on trend? So those are a couple reasons why I'm choosing to embrace the gray hair. Now, so far for my transition, I've only just let it be. I've just stopped coloring. So you see I still have color left over in the ends from previous color treatments. Most of my gray hair is right at the front here, and the rest is kind of salt and pepper on the ends here. And you can see I've probably got about an inch and a half or so of growth there that you can see between my last hair color. I don't have I'm not 100% gray, so I don't have like this line of demarcation that you can sometimes see. So I'm feeling good about where I'm at there. One thing I did do is a few months ago, I did have my hair cut short for the summer. And this was in part because I was gonna go gray, and it was just a little bit easier to grow out a shorter haircut. But I'm actually considering going drastically shorter and just letting it all grow back out again. So I may do something like a pixie cut. What's your opinion? I'd love your opinion if you comment below. Should I go shorter? Should I leave it the way it is now? My plan ultimately is to have a longer haircut again, but in the interim, I'm kind of up for something a little bit more radical. So if you're thinking about going gray, I hope this has encouraged you a little bit to embrace your natural beauty. You know, if God wanted you to have dark hair your entire life, then he would have made it so that you never went gray. But I actually like gray hair, and I am fully embracing who God made me to be. I hope that you are encouraged by this. So that's all for today. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. I post weekly videos about minimalist living and transitioning to a vegan lifestyle. I hope you'll join me for the next one. Have a great day.